In this video you will learn how to upload images for your rooms in the booking engine. So you will have to go to Property, Photo Gallery. Here you will select the room that you want the pictures to be uploaded for, and then you browse the files. We need the files of the pictures to be uploaded. So we go to the hotel website, and here's the deluxe room. You can use a cropping tool or a cutting tool, and you can take pictures from the hotel website or directly from your computer as you wish. And here we have the first image, V1. Here is the second image. V2. And now we're gonna go and take another third image. You can upload as many images as you want. For the sake of this example, we'll just take 3 main images. Now we go back to Browse Files. We do bulk upload. We can upload several images at the same time. And you see the uploading is in progress. You have to wait a bit, and after this we'll see the end result here on this page. So you see under this room the images will be assigned. This is the confirmation, and that's how the images are being displayed. And now we're going to search in the booking engine and see the end result. And here you can see your images are being uploaded, and it looks very nice this way. You can see the different images available. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Take care.